This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by going to an Aadhaar Seva Kendra or Authorized Enrollment Center. Make sure you have your Aadhaar original and a photocopy, plus any supporting ID. Once at the center, tell the receptionist you need Biometric Update Service and either show your online appointment or take a token. You'll be asked to fill a simple correction/update form, provide current contact details, and sign where required. This starts the official process and ensures the operator can pull up your record immediately. Once your form is accepted, the operator will display your Aadhaar record on screen. You must verify name, DOB, and address because these guide biometric mapping. Then the technician captures fingerprints or iris scans using certified devices. You'll be asked to place fingers one at a time and look into the iris scanner. Make sure your fingers are clean and dry and follow prompts. If a scan fails, they will rescan immediately because clear captures reduce rejection risk and speed processing. After successful capture, you receive an enrollment slip with an update request number. You must keep that slip. It's how you track progress. Once done, you can check status online with the URN and expect the update to reflect in 30-90 days depending on verification load. If your update is rejected, return to the same center with the slip and corrected documents or file a grievance through the helpline. Make sure to act quickly so the center can reprocess the biometric update for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.